In this video, we will learn about how to print the average age of the male and female employees from the employee class. Let's say that we have an employee class and we will provide some fields inside this class like string employee name and string gender, and also we'll provide int age. Okay. Int age, let's make it as private. This one also private, and private age. So our aim is to print the average age of the male and female employees. Okay, so let's do that. Let's provide the getters and setters, or constructor. First we'll provide the constructor. Let's generate the constructor for this one, and then we will create the getters as well as setters. Otherwise only getters will create. Okay, now let me create the getters. Generate getters. Now let's get employee name, get gender, generate getter. For the other two, we'll create the getters. That's it. Now we have an employee class, and now we will create one more class where we are going to write the logic for getting the average of male and female employees. So let's create a class test one. Okay, inside the test one class, declare the main method. Now inside the main method, first we will create an employee object. Employee E1 is equal to new employee of, say, we have, okay, so in this constructor we will pass the values. So inside the employee class we need to pass employee name, gender and age. So let's do that. Employee name is Sitaram, gender is male, and age is 37. Okay, now create one more class. Employee E2 is equal to, okay, just copy paste this, and we'll create one more object of employee type. Okay, and also we'll create few other objects. Something like we will change all those things later on. We'll rename the objects. Okay, now employee E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, 9. See? We'll take 10 objects. That's fine. So employee name, let's change it to Radha. Female, age is something like 17. Ranga, male, 35. Sudha, Sushma, okay. Mm, female, age is something like 27. And Amar, male, age is around 35, and age is around 38. Something like age is around 56, 43, 23, around 90. Okay, and I am going to change these names as well. Female, randomly I'm giving some values, female. Okay, and let's say this is also female, and let's write it as Sita, Ram, Surpanaka, something like Mohan, and Sita. Let's make it as Prayansh. Okay. Now we have some employee objects. Now let's create, okay, and let's put all these employee objects inside a array list. We'll do that by using this way. List employee equal to arrays dot as list. Let's import the required packages. So list comes from util. Next arrays dot as list. Here we will add e1, e2, e3, e4, e5, e6, e7, e8, 9 as well as e10 objects. Now we have a list of employee objects. Here we'll provide the emp list. Okay. Now we'll apply the stream on this one. So emp list dot stream, okay, dot next dot collect. Inside the collect we are going to print the average of male and female employees. So first collectors dot grouping by. Inside the grouping by we have to get the gender of the employee. Employee get gender, employee get gender, and comma collectors dot averaging int. So we are going to get the average of the employee age. So employee get age. Now we are going to collect. This will return a double. Okay. Now we have to add this inside a map. Map string comma double, and we have average age of employees is equal to, okay, now we are going to import the required class. Okay, let's print this average. Okay, south average age of employees map. Now let's run this. So here in this program we are grouping by the gender and getting the average of the age from the employee class. So female average age is 28.8 and male average is 37.2. So if you look at this employee objects, the average age of the employees starts with like 37 and 35, 35. So it will get the average of the employees who are male as well as the average of employees who are female. The female employees average age is 28.8. If you look at this averaging int, this will return a collector which will produce the arithmetic mean of an integer value. So that will be applied onto the input elements. And if let's say that if we are not passing any elements, then the result will be 0. So by using the stream and by using this grouping by, we are going to group the employees, elements according to the classification function, and will perform the reduction operation on those values. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.